Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a very popular tech stock, AI stock rather even, and it's the AMD stock, which has been in a correction for a long time now, for more than a year I think. So we want to take a look at this correction and could it be over? Could it nearly be over? And are there any trading areas? So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we're now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. We click on our tech stock section, Tech 33 package. You can get access to all of these updates completely for free if you register on our website. Link is in the description. Now, if you watch our videos regularly, then you know this already. Let's click on the AMD chart and I want to select the 1 day time frame. And yeah, you can see that this correction has already started in 2024. Actually, formally, from an Elliott wave point of view, the idea would be that this correction started 2021, but the rally that happened into the 2024 highs, I think it was the March top, is actually seen as a so-called high B wave, a WXY pattern, as you can see here on the chart. So this is just seen as an overshooting B wave, a very difficult structure, these B waves, and we could now be in a C wave to the downside. The thesis would be that this is a so-called wave 2 correction with an overshooting B wave, and the standard extensions would, or retracements rather, would show that, or they point towards this area, $35.19 to $62.82 for the AMD chart, for this area to be reached potentially in the coming months, maybe even year or so. So this is difficult to say. Please note that the correction already started more than a year ago, but most of it is likely done. Most of it is likely done. And from there, we would then expect a larger degree third wave to form that might even take us to $250 plus, $300 plus over the long run. But that can take years. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well. And here you can see the nano patterns or micro patterns that we are tracking on the chart here, because the idea is that the move to the downside is potentially impulsive, and that makes sense in the context of a C wave. This is one interpretation of how this could unfold. At the moment, we don't see a, let's say, setup, not here right now. Price is now, as I record this video, at around $98. And the idea would be that the price is getting closer to the $62.80 to $35.19 area. If this really is an impulse, then we have a 1-2-1-2 setup. When the price broke below that $120.52 level, it confirmed the decline in the third wave, and it could possibly stretch a little lower, this third wave. Then we should see very soon a fourth wave bounce, another decline in wave 5, but that would only be the larger degree third wave, okay, of which wave 2 topped, I think it was in July 2024. So this is the fifth wave of the third wave. Then eventually that might already reach the blue box. Then we would expect another lower high and another lower low, and that should, at least if we follow the theoretical pattern here, complete the entire decline. The actual microstructure is not so relevant. The levels are more important, and we have here this box well defined. Normally in such a wave 2 correction, we would not want the price to break below the $35.19 level, so 78.6 retracement. Very, very important level. This is typically where probabilities start to shift from an overall bullish pattern towards a more bearish interpretation, but this is not an invalidation point. But ideally we avoid a decisive break below that 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Now, it's very important to highlight that the rally that could start soon, bounce in this wave 4, if this really is an impulsive pattern to the downside, then the wave 4 must not break above $120.52. So it means if the market goes above that level, it means that the structure somehow needs to be reinterpreted. Maybe it's a different pattern than that's unfolding, possibly a bit more of a complex correction, but the reason is a wave 4 must not cross into the wave 1 price region, not in an impulse. So please note that. That would give us a very important signal. So that's what we're watching for. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on AMD or other charts, check out our website. The link is in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also let us know in the comment section which other tech stocks or even cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.